I got some Greddy Special Parts
for my 98 Altezza, specifically
this radiator top pipe. So that's going to go in there. But unfortunately for me, they include blue hoses. I don't want blue hoses. I want black. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is actually cut the OEM hose to length and use that in between. It's not as good as silicone, but it'll last long enough for me to get the correct color. So I'm just going to do that and then mark it and cut it. I might not even mark it. I might just cut it. Do it on the Greddy box. Can't believe you did that to a Greddy box. Yeah. Can't believe you did that to an OEM hose. Yeah. People out here losing their minds. That's a perfectly good hose. Yeah, it is. And I just ruined it. There we go, that'll work. All good. Done. That'll do. It even came with hose clamps. Trident USA. Perfect. That's what I would have chosen. Right. This goes this way. Or does it go that way? Good question. It's got a bit of shit on it. Might give it a clean. Ran some parts cleaner through it. Yes, it's used, but it's clean. As clean as it'll ever be. Right. Which way do you want? That way? Facing the engine? Or do you want it that way? Oh, wait. That way facing over here. Facing the engine's probably better, isn't it? Tuck it in there like that. It's actually not the easiest thing in the world to fit, it seems. There we go. That's not much fun. That's actually not bad. Just do that with it. That hides really well. Cool, cool, cool. Got to do these guys up. Just need a blade screwdriver. Done. Need to do the bottom hose, put belts on, and then we're pretty much done here. I can start it, basically.
I'm not sure how the videos got out of order, but I already fixed this stupid shit in this video, so give that a click and see how small changes that don't cost any money can make the engine bay look so much better.